Alrighty guys, we're going to be doing a battery replacement on this Tesla, so go ahead and follow the directions. So first what you want to do is make sure the front driver door windows open or all the way down, and the rear right windows as low as you can. And then what we're going to do is click here, right there, and then go to safety, go all the way down, power off. Sure, you place foot on the brake. Okay, turn power. Okay, so we're gonna turn it off, and to put it back on after the process, you gotta put your foot on the pedal, the brake pedal. Power off. Okay, cool. All right. Also, make sure that your frunk is open. We're gonna go all the way here, and there's a lever right there. Pulling that like this. You're gonna need to open the other side, but it's actually easier if you do so. So follow the same procedure. Oops. Alright, there's a little cardboard or styrofoam cover. And what you want to do is release the power. There we go. Cool. Release the high voltage power. Now we're gonna go all the way here. Open the frunk. There's a panel right here. And there's your battery. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this. Release the duct. Anything. And this is your battery. Literally all you need is a ratchet. It could be small or big, doesn't matter, and a 10mm. So little side note, if you don't want to get an OEM battery, but I actually recommend you do, this is all the information for the battery. I think the size is, I'm not sure if it's a 28, no, I'm pretty sure it's a 85B 24LS. This is like the size, but I could be wrong. So let me take this out, put it right here, put this right there. Push this up, place this like that. Now you always want to take the negative first. Now you want to release this. This is the breather, or actually vet hose. Huh. Cool. And then their brand new battery. I'm gonna take these, actually keep the covers on. Make sure it's sitting in its place properly. Cool. Attach the vent hose back on. Always put the negative first. Make sure that it's on as good as you can. Okay. Cover this. Go ahead and put this back on. This side goes first, and then this side. too much. Oh great, take these out. Oops. I swear I had this like that. There you go. Make sure that it's in all the way on both sides. You see all these, they have to go in the holes, like so. Don't use the cool. It's all in now. Go ahead and okay. Now go ahead and lift this up. Be very careful when you put this back. There we go. You heard that click. Make sure to put this back on. There we go. Alright, so if you want to do a soft reboot, you hold this and that at the same time. Press it until the screen goes black. Wait about a minute or two, and then it will reboot back up, and that's how you restart the. That's how you reset the system after installing a new battery. Thank you for watching.